Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are a CapCut user and you are facing problem no internet connection, connect to the internet and try again on your iPhone, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store. A menu will appear and we have to tap on Updates. After that, we have to check the list. Is there is any update available for CapCut? If there is, then update the CapCut app. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If you're still facing the same issue, then we have to launch settings, tap on Journal and tap Software Update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After updating to iOS, we have to launch settings, scroll, find and tap on CapCut, then tap on Photos and select all photos. After doing these steps, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then go to App Store and search for any free VPN. I'm going to use the Turbo VPN. Install this application, connect to the VPN, then launch your CapCut and your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.